Hello guys, in this video let us look at the Charmast CMA power bank. This is a 5000 milliampere compact and small power bank. Inside you can see it's written black, which is this is a black color, and the bottom we have the manufacturer detail, address, official website, and the support email. Opening up from the box case, here we can see we have the power bank, which is small, quiet and compact, and this is the QC certificate, the Charmast user manual, and the accessories box. Taking a look at the accessory box, here we have a small and short USB Type-C cable. Look at the power bank itself. So here is the power bank. You can see how small it is and how cute it is. So here you can see, here we have the button, power button, which when you press you can see the amount of battery left. So we have 75% of battery in this power bank right now. On the other side we have a USB Type-C port wherein you can charge this power bank. So this power bank feels pretty light, and you can see how small it looks in the hand, and it's quite good. You can just directly fit on your smartphone and you're good to go. So this can easily charge your smartphone for at least 1 to 1.5 or 2 times. You have this nice cover on the USB Type-C port wherein you can just plug it in when you don't want it and when you want it. So that's really nice that we have this feature. So let me plug this power bank inside this phone. You can see how it's easy. My phone started to charge, and here you can see it shows the light while charging. So that's pretty good. You can use your phone while charging like this, right? So you can just plug in this power bank and start using your phone, so you don't have to worry about charging getting out. So that's really good feature that you have. So guys, that was a quick video of the Charmast CMA power bank. If you're interested in purchasing the same, a link to the same in the description from you can go and buy it. So thank you so much for watching guys. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you guys soon in my next video.